make I help and look for justice for this in gold. That's one of the questions we are supposed to ask me. Secondly, when this whole scenario came out from the beginning, I not support God's power. Now the movie said I did. Despite me and the movie will not do the good thing. I did a video. I said, okay, pa, we will leave our quarrel. You see this gold, we must see who carry her. If it come for saga, anybody who you know say he's carry this gold will drag her. We must saga around till they go bring this gold come on. That was the first video I did. I know say me I not do good thing that time with the saga ourselves. Paraventures maybe that one. But some ones who I only want this kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, as long as the Baba get Baba home, Baba do boy. But inside there, I will stand to be neutral and say the way it is, without fear or favor, without supporting anybody. You understand? Because of tomorrow, it might happen to you and you and you when they watch me so. Now, when I don't say Monica own happen, where I carry small back comment for social media. Because of why? That juju, I know what thing do for me. I know how that juju rescued me. Exactly the same case like this. Of stealing. Accusing me say, na me can rob. That one a robbing case for nights. You understand? But at the end of the day, after they don't beat me, they almost carry tie for my neck, burn me alive for Ekenwa Road. Before they carry me go meet this native doctor. Before we go this native doctor place, they go different shrine. Those shrine they always thought say will be 3 in number we can rob. Once they mention my name, they go say yes, na me just can rob. Once they mention, they say if they beat me, if they massage, if they treat me, they play me where I go confess the very truth. They play me where now so that they always talk for the rest. And they always say I'm not thief, so I don't beat me. At the end of the day, they carry me one woman. The woman I will steal my own town person, my own sister. Now I still join there. Now the deporter from Italy. Because it get beer palo for Ekenwa Road. Now they say, why worry? You send no azay a boat down here. Magiamari papa and Mwesiva well road. Now one hand almost to confess. Everybody must to move. Really, the dam for side boss took a boss. Carry me reach there. At the end of the day, the people where they beat me, I even come thief for the house. The people where use 2 by 2 them bust my head. Now they call rob for the house. And now me where they stand, where they talk to so, now me still use that same juju that they say that they take cash them. They do my own do. I'm not thief. I don't know anything concerning thief. Mega carry there, magbe mudia. After said I've done, the same people that was beating me, they want to buy me, and they go thief. Now, this same man, now a pa the Murphy friend for years, a pa the Murphy Noah. Even when I battle this good, I said this thing on my live video. Say there is somebody where we'll go meet this gold matter. If gold really lost for the house, that be the first question. You sure say the Murphy gold or Isoken gold really lost? If Isoken gold lost, stand up. If he not lost, lie down. You go fair proof, say yes, he lost or he not lost. If he not lost, case closed. If he say he lost, they continue. Now, they look like maybe now and they thing at the top because they come on muzzle. They know how key to that world where I put for that video last year. Now 2 years ago, so reach now, go 2 years. Now, at the end of the day, this Monica on will carry command. Now a part the Murphy see so when you can't get the assurance, say yes. Through this level, you go fit get to the root of this gold. Who thief this gold or who not thief this gold? If not gospel thief this gold, stand up. Not because we asleep. Now Mama Melissa stand up. Now Mama Melissa asleep. What listen, you know? Me I like plenty. See me, see you. I know I like bribing and corruption. After I do that Monica on, that same man came up on social media through a party Murphy with some ladies concerning his own godson Enogi. You understand? And a part the Murphy knows say he get this kind of case for hand. When he go suppose, as in the gem, he go suppose call. If he call, some of us say, you know more like the social media. You understand? He happy, he go no. Send account to where he go do transfer. The man will carry a comment. They go throw him. Even without consulting anybody. Just the way you see they play that day. As they play for him platform for live that day, they call me say, they do that man, that is the way you bring come out. The other person does come out of the movie did there. You understand? I got look, I was there live watching. You understand? As the man take through the thing. Now, where this part of the mafia get killed, this gold matter get killed. I know go fit cost more about control that matter for this. That's juju for this matter. Una go ask me say why? Because a part of the mafia already cost more for back. You understand? That Monica home. Small don't know wetin our carry and put for. He don't know. Now here, when I sit down here, they ask him question. He don't know be Monica. He don't know be Lolo. He don't know be good luck. Adeboye. He know Eruwala. Because Eruwala a popular person. I mean, let's say, Umiewe Eruwala nyaje boy. Or Eruwala pagbe. Ona wela Eruwala you know epa. Eh, you marry Monica. I'm Bruce or marry Monica, but Umiewe Eruwala or nyaje boy. Oh yeah. Again, the Eruwala nyaje boy pagbe. Eruwala lobby. The team was in on lobby. Umiewe Bruce or nyaje boy. Bruce not pagbe. Ona pagbe. So, this that juju not be juju what they and I fear and I really can't wear I get me those kinds no. This one you go to question the juju. You understand? If na him go stand, if not be him go sleep. Now he stand, if not be sleep. Now for a pa and small baba, they don't already talk for back. You don't understand? Because this matter is a very delicate issue. Même on a ya moi bekwa. Vene mi jeri me wa to women. Dete vene po wa re Germany we dario. O wa tie me, I did the video say pa. Tie me. Umwenwa, idere video nu la we go le mate god now. We say Nigeria now. You are not calling me where not go le mate good. At the end of the day, you know a pa small baba. You understand? Am I going to be sure where you are a passport baba? No go do have keep packing things against this issue. You understand? Because
Mudiano menwa we dakawe. Utengu kwanwa o. Ugwe yate mutaya la worune. Eri ate wono na. Ate akante gbogi awa. But the small baba or dori we ladian. Be nani.
Exactly.
We boni. Owe mu oge ya abiemeta mu. I want to answer that question. So where ya boni ga ti fie we ye utagbona when I we metamu
no ma believe right ti fie boni
okay ana do mi wa we do mo boni ladian o we go ti ma ku iwo wa yen iwu o we go ti ma ku iwo so we ka who can qualify o se na we ara mo mujane ye kenu gẹrẹ amwe na gwe neutral we said don't e video nu we me said don't o give me question that give me then me pa yen we bore on the 21 day Friday a day Friday pa e pa yen we bore ina we say day Friday ben ya say manani o ga said that we na wo ka be ya atu menwa you no mo na lada de be afia we no fia aga mi egwe nya fi god na get apologize na egwe wo they go to mama egwu egwe na mi ototo because here egwe o do be god me my brother.
Okay, calm down.
Mr. Menwa ya ze geta pa.
Go ahead.
Wato. Do we azegbe na zenze nunu ayo mo bofine. E na ruwo bone we ai dam yo pa. Always small baba no small baba kegwe we ni ari ma hallelujah wa.
Good. Anywhere we are happy.
Okay. All right.
And the host when ni memu di akuwe manasin.
Yeah.
So mama oni mado dweki e osaba be ima wa enigbe. I want to also know host where Hey, a small babakba. Okay, I confirm it.
Okay.
Get that, brother.
Yeah.
Ugmeso all see ye ne. They no ruwo bona. Ana imnewe ajiye ne osweni aruokba. At least I believe where Omani give any reason to that. Na oya that egbe or no man Nigeria that. Ana me aresi ye ne ave we mi ve nyana ma wi or ni ve nya or even ni awe mi ya he.
Yes.
Where onye obe bonye gbe. So even wetaba when I language ni medo age we mini weto we ma trust e boni.
Yes.
Because agave do when I low bokba we Eddie Murphy was in redo or small baba was a normal to boy ten on my body ladian. Mana ya ave do kawa Eddie Murphy anu na when I when we woman ya tie. So many na do when my brother go where they were the ticket one small baba we no well you
any about when the mood
go small baba mana ya ru we yeke.
Any upon what in the mood? Oh, no, when you're talking, break a just love it.
Mr. Murphy, where Guayo, cause Bonok Panya, we made to say anything lao, or my way. So, Mana Yaru, where yeke, Mr. Menwa, small babakba of the boy with baby very only. I don't mean we here, Iene, or Kofama Rockba, or Iene, or Webby Rockma, we, or your boy bene. So la ima no amo e mad where Eddie Murphy ya tie evieke cause e small babakba e wekin alo e video na afo neba we surprise ma ga ti we ba we reke no wegbe e gba we to bu we reke no wegbe manari e ku we are going to follow you e magure manabe na la wowo la e video na ru obo
wa to be itu me ya ba oge we is two way no. The Murphy na we must someone here. Obama oge. He's talking we ta when he are one year tie boyo. Ni ya we no heke ni wo. Ona le test video where mi aye wo wa mi ya tie boyo mo boyo. The Murphy we test video where wa wo magira wo so mo ya mo e bonu fen.
Yare me so wa my we video. Wa we won. Onya we wa do ta ma. Onya we na do ta.
Mu ta data ma we do ta ya ko.
Onya we wa do ta. Me mo we mo e bon. You get inima. Power.
Because momo wenya 6 months you have oya kolo media oya me picture me ladia I want so ka bona so pe ni video when you pa ni ata we ti we him that ni ayagun iye wo kan understand me momo wenya mo re egbe e mi pa ni ami e wo no pa ni me ye betawo one e me na no nam do mu de na we na do gwale ototo e na wo toto e when we ma leki no bunem because of we no mo bari. Emi na ma eke ni te edu egba do agun ayo we go to what we wa ya mu ebo no aya te no aya ti ya ti e uti ese o eni meje megile lo ma gbera mi yo because ata ma ke ni lele bungbe ke ni ti ati ebo yo obun na aye police mo pa eni megile lo ma gbera mi da wa ya gwa lo no mu god wa hia de tun we gbe na na asunu egene Frankie na tie we egene media na ro papa ameya uragbo
pa wa we woni aja eni su aja we ni ataleme we ma ta ma we e guaro wa we be ta lo ni
Mr. Power
do something good do something good
Everybody,
straight 2 years or ya like boga straight 2 years.
Calm down, bros. Ni wan wa to wa pe o wa to ni wan because I went out do lele talo na I pa marive na. So even though ye power ye we provoke e matter no everywhere agmo hia dege be me go dina sunu ukpukpe ni e visual law yan ve zero yo e matter ma we na enta. She will understand it now. Now you know say ni na tell me na ni wan wala wo. We na mu gbega agwa le go dina na gwa lo e wo wa wo de. We agwe na gwa le go dina wo wa wo de. Number 1 okpe na ke lo ukpe we me go dina ve Nigeria. A jogo bo jogo henve ya fe imale mata we na ve jogo bo anywhere ya ge o a ye be we but emi me oni meta ye me na e we na we wa o ke na be investigation be we bo ruda here ti pa bo go ya azu wo go e go die ti we bo awa agwa lo wa o man kodia video we na ye ni how ya gwa lo wa na we make sure we investigation ro we bo e no ya metem investigation we bo na e we e go
any commenter we go say power you are suspect na your children
iye worry relax
mama data ma we what date when me pan attend me now no matter we suspect I'm not kind me
worry power calm down we worry e ma hear damn me how worry I resolve issue na worry you understand so you know ya mete me na e we weta agwa le go di na be Nigeria keke be Germany no na we e we eri mata e bag social media president we go di no we ogovo kinye ni adomu is about 100 or something thousand euro or na me go here or na go de 10,000 or 15-20,000 euro. We are talking about 100 or something thousand euro gold. And secondly, the webo ni majemana o marokpa eti wa moisi boma de o wa dogbo mari if you to of you go di yanorowa after 1 year my we that's a investigation na gele no sunu bebani and which o manimina na sunu that is a citizen of a Germany that's obie
my brother yeah gbe bank we wona amaye mu ya
forget
only law papa
gbe bank amaye mu ya
25 years.
So, a picture man so that was a police station. My equal maso. Amaye muya. Forget on me.
Niki baba we over heke vena gwalevo wa oke investigation via because a part the board not
suspect. Damn my brother.
When no ya mete me na no wan egwi baba that the ajeboard not baba where they go dinner we where ya any complaint or any paper gelero to show work balegbe emi no sunu impact no sunu
if I no buy the no ya won ye lawyer if I keka ya gbe no buy no a police dey no buy no ya won ye lawyer won ya no agbe lawyer we a lawyer with the case but a police investigated the matter. Am I way no or yes? They have closed the matter with yeah we like that way. Yeah mamie to preach on anybody because they are criminals.
Because baba wa we to preach they ya ye 1 year plus nya mamie we ropa.
That agbeku even na the way maybe a sagia in Joe and it's raw. Yeah magbeku akironia. Where they come as in form of police. Yeah, we are going to go near chair.
Baby, very empty. What calling Baba? Baby, don't have a job.
Dame ogo kuna ni ateli jolu bokun. Owere keke owere enagbo gbela wa ena avie go there. Do fe wana investigation amaye mi ototoy for years. So a professional we me ologo kemi on. So na ya mi ona na talo yogbe menwa do needful anywhere no asidi my affair do it my son
o we really on the where ye ya gwa le go di we
how we the needful
asidi we really on the where ye ya gwa le go di we no come west we when la ya gwa le go we don't have time to talk about matter anymore
a live video na openly agina we
no come where ya gwa le go di we only man take time me o ma come
Emi ya ni openly now
ojeti wa do lo wa do ba lo yo ha wa bi go di pa police ma investigation area ni amaye camera control nothing then I wait verification why wa le go di all why go di now
a police tell me am no fine
the way botam you to
atani
Nigeria ni na national wu paro amatic control camera
Lare o.
We can control it now.
Lare o.
We bomana
a filling station where out there.
The filling station ma o dani. Camera filling station control one.
Social media.
Okay, no, ya meta baba, ena wa yo go pa ya wa lo to.
Are you going to do the needful? Or tell her do you
police even we suspect of it for na we ni ake police.
Everybody on la woman.
Enemy attack.
My brother, my friend.
Better with Damio everywhere.
Damio, my brother, call out.
You be where I the better.
Damio, my brother.
What are you? I tell you,
Damio, my brother, call Egui, my brother, Damio. Umenwa here where Enogi. Ya fe no lagwima. I have your gwenogi. I have your gwe. You check everybody. You check everybody. Pretty lady, when you are like woman, you have your go and check everybody. No, you one of the good here.
Mr. Menwa, you have not talked about woman social media president in Otana. We may go dinner soon. In Yazagwo, why? In Mweru Mini, a Canana Zawo, why am I Pishwa?
Yes, I'm well again. I'm well again. I'm well at okay. I'm on social media.
On your time, you only got no.
I'm well at my brother. I'm well at no, we are not going to tell you. No, we are not going to tell you.
Emi opani aveta, wala damio. Ogma we o emi mi ave na hin. Emi opani aveta me Dimofi. One, you accuse him of Melissa. Wa say we both now. We are the file in we are the no ban with a lawyer. Time a lawyer where many power no you work but or point or suspect here Melissa. The lawyer we beg gume ni maka face court here ma.
Me man here be lawyer, but me yo go the police we
Imamu mi letter, imamu me ita mi me gita na.
Me ya go police to be me. Me ya wan say to be me. Me ya we to be me.
Emi opa ni me we meta wo. Dimofi okpe na be jemi. Italy make ati ma. One you only Dimofi.
No wa do time na.
Mutia na mutia who ye ba.
Menwa consult who you want to consult. No do ya. No. I will pay. I will pay. Do it openly. I will pay because
level native doctor or wajo wabe run wajo. We now appoint. We now appoint Melissa.
Why ya ju? Egbe wanya. When we my point to one ania, egbe wanya every move. Oh ya mo and mama suspect. So everybody apologize. Why he said ne? Amen nywe o mamu gwa pa. Oh, no if you go there, menwa am you totoy. Where you menwa gwalo. Menwa I give you go ahead. Abi ima ya no say go ahead.
What Mr. Social Media President. Ene go di wena. Eventually would dem down or back here. You understand? Because now two person you are accused, which is a gospel of Melissa. That is the accused person here. And I always said it, you can control truth forever. You can never control lie forever. A part of the you be elderly man, a romo, you are no longer a baby. Of age don't mind say we are serious why. I'm not here to accuse you or to insult you, no. We are going to say the way it is. You understand? You understand the grievances of God's power and the Melissa, which is clear. And which they are still suspects. And then the same thing they are suspects, the same thing every other person that comes to that house, they are all suspects in this issue. But there's a lot of things you are saying since no matter how soon if it goes no way. No matter this straightforward. You understand? Now let me take you back to when this good started, because I was involved. And the recent one we judged, that's why I always said you can control truth forever, you can't control life forever. From the beginning you lost your good. And and the call came in. Mind you, your son were being tied down. And at the end of the day, we are gonna be a phone or ya call over.
Omenwa, listen. No. Listen, we talk about Omenwa. We hold on. Omenwa, guy, we no Tajania. In a board or in a bog yeke. In a bog yeke. In a yela, a kitchen. In a yosi divani. In a la jane, the person akba. So, o imena you o bod no ba yekeni. E for the mega rare. E for the mega rare. E charger the palo. On a do love ye. On a pien. E dale je. Ori piona on a ring. Yena love ye auto because ogwe yemagba ogwe. Gwege anagba bog yeke. Weti we nani. Edo ya pien elali je. Ori we na do turn away. Je ade. Edije ati me. Me na ka fifo nya o ka ti ina fifo nya because mo de phone ye ina fifo nya. O we gbe because my rare e kanta job center ne ko ka ti ya no mata ne. Imi ya ta mi we I'm going home in Nigeria. That you know time ne agbe ya we election wa. Me ya ta mi ha. But o magi ke meri seba ni me na do ba o boy ye ke agba o boy na fi o boy ye ke na agba. Modi ho in afia na dirini yi white iriga no rubber when rubber ni adeni be babe this thing ni o wa sikwo e gba rubber ni eyan ya gba bog yeke so iye oboni ori ona ya pien e phone e do be ya gwan mo my way to police so e my brother but to boy when ya gba obo ngbe get do ti yakọ
oyina wolufa o pass the money. Now, but what down here, it would be my, you know, man, I do. It but Ogbalebinari Ambro Bandu raw, and I must see that. First of all, that child will be traumatized.
It's truly, yes.
You can make me laugh already.
Oh, why am you to fear now?
Suddenly, an arm robber came in with a gun. You cannot come in another film. It's not a real life. Oh, okay, what shock. You understand? The shock. Oh, you are imagine today. Now, that issue will be one of the most serious issues, and it's not going to be with you alone. It's going to be on a newspaper of German or a news.
Oh, that's yeah.
Must be on a newspaper.
No anybody, no. Anybody.
Okay, let me give you an example.
Dating a fioma, that of your can drag. You're not being enjoy. If I don't know Ladia in news. Fioma. Oh, me have Kunia. Dameonia.
Ordinary Nigeria passport email, or Nigeria passport and a wallet even. When Nigeria passport in one.
Oh, now we are dota. And now we
we have to look for your gold, but we have to look for
it with some verification and when they go to Baba here come together, Naka the Guanena
this is the first time I have one.
Yes.
So I'm not getting my damn head be.
I will be Guaner,
Mate, what I want to wear. Before I
yes, that is true.
You understand? Because when I go work berry, I came out with back.
Now so.
You understand? So because you cannot tell me even this power bank now I'm working on Bluetooth now we in our police here. A Bluetooth if I call police, they will take a file and write the model of this Bluetooth at my talk. It will be written down. The hours in here they are warning. The time, 1 minute in here spent, they will ask that baby question. Carefully. You understand? Everything will be jotted down. You will have a copy and the police will have a copy and the investigation continue. What is the police investigating about? Is it not what you wrote, what you told them, warning, everything is being jotted down. Then they carry on their investigation through what is on the paper. While you will have a copy, you will have a case file with them.
Exactly.
You understand? You will have a case file with them. That case file in have investigated matter where they bought the rubble, they black, if possible, they also use the CCTV camera. The rest the streets. You cannot tell me that a filling station in that environment does not have a CCTV camera. or rather the street, they will cross any time they will cross check everything.
That is the work of police, not my work. That is the work of the police, not my job. So that is what I said. The police are still doing the investigation. I cannot go and fight them. I cannot go and fight them.
Investigation, Baba. You supposed to get paper. Now, when they talk, now you supposed to get paper when they give you. Say this one are your matter or your file case when they take jot your case for down. Say such thing happen for your house. You understand? Because now
okay, who wait me publicly.
No, Baba, go police station, Baba,
publicly. If we get Melissa, or one women, no damn, and no get women, no damn, no, in your family, nobody,
Mama go to where you propose you were.
And remember, we, my brother, I gave you this thing to analyze what is happening.
You understand? For 1 hour.
Yes.
Now, I understand the fact where let's assume a good way. Due to the good no we any Yamuye police station based on when they get away with in Nigeria, it did now. Maybe in the cognitive there be 200,000 because no now the more final the nearly 100.
No,
understand. I want to make this to my sign. Now in another way, yet you attack police because everyone to the yard door. You understand? We understand now. A better national is quite different.
Yes.
You understand? Then we not look for it in our traditional way.
Exactly.
You understand? Okay, I understand the working. A good young girl do go to the air, but imagine police because here come police here we will go to 200,000 €200,000. Bien amigo, able must not
no receipt. I got that.
Somebody must not but virtuous a good nagli we imagine your ballet. Now, why of a Yorubu or Bogeli suspect? Take for example, Atari Modura one Mirage and a Modura. You understand? Here now we are married in any way, whatever I will follow you. It better very gambe. You understand? So it's like that. So
thank you for this. Thank you for that.
You understand? Now the boy never go dinner. And from the beginning, it can problem in our go dinner. But then what rely now? Didn't my girl what rely good now we didn't my yaga harele we yama and I get me one of Galatian, I work at Galatian. Ali no ye 10. I must to me solution to it. By now, I'm not closing. I will say, I will without no misunderstanding between us. You understand me now? But now, on a walk with Yatia boy, on a walk on a banner, on a banner Yatia body, a young Yatia, it goes where Yatia, a mama Yatia, you know, another Yatia. Now we are not coming back again now to one chord. In matter of Mateka before, we are not coming to do it again now.
Umenwa. Nana muoge ba oge melis Monica no wedo gwalo ladiana e dan do match ebo no pama ya mo ebo en we na do gwalo ladiana ya maye kwere nia no wi ya ta ya no ye ta ebo ne osalobo ya na joje we yes okuo na yan bie ovie
yeah
abi e ma ka tebo ne gbe a de no ma tebo ne gbe wo amata wo bie do bie mo a ama when you pure more when you do mala jaya ma kwere me men we better do your work look at that guy any great what you do
okay but
give bebe go wala wa we say wa dom wa puta
what
ime wa pa yan wa re go to tire dana ba me mata na sa ba na proko egbo yan mo first wa we say for the gathering matter no mewaga number matter va here few pay manana based on the wona the majiri Deutschland noga me kavia make anzagi gese onwane bebona egbegbo ma to aseveri now we akpori noga re bremeni awi amari wana mena ya report station we mama awari ebeyi mo boy beni ya report wa agwe awari me na we file anadi me ya report na de yomo bozai idaji ina we yakiwani bari mugiri ebeni geloya oni woni na gbata wari ebe na ya make answer give ebuna awari no mama we no do kosa no sisi Okay, kabo damesha we matana odo ebando aditable. The first no se bonaka wa nya do keke we so okay. Omayela. Now, Mr. Frank, we can use the language of Baba language ni eguyoma go well with him. We not say nothing. A small baba according to when you see a bang, one muere. Umuere, uwe. In fact, yonze ige jagaban lakbo mayana support we mana we watawano. So I will be do tanya where umae because where the mofiro one ya ige to ya brother. No, I don't want to hear. Don't use that language.
That's good.
Well, use that, then we will not come back and tell you where okay Monica ya mure fake, you know.
Okay.
Hello, I'm sorry, I have to tell you the truth. That means okay Monica mure it is not true. So when I will trust a man according to the testimony you have given so far about that person, bring him again. We want to see it in Dagbo. Get off here, Nimage. Or if your name, if we are not satisfied, me have a real market cotonure, have a more life.
Yes. That don't if you're getting.
That don't if you're getting. Why is it go jogging me money digo? Me am market cotonure. Oh, Sunujo. I wouldn't have joined the no Sunujo. I said that. I wouldn't have joined the Sunujo. Let's start it. Remember what worry one that me. Wake up with small barbarian no do toge. Or you take on another vima. Then memory Mary. Life. Only with the toge. Why don't we beg you work me? Oh, when I work back by yage. So funny. Why beg you no? Because everybody will go to so we are now on it. No matter the God's power. God's power. My money don't was go matter now. Was go not ready. Oh no, na him na mega to be not your sponsor. Me mag give up on the home. But we come small barbarian no do testify. Finish. Ni ma est to vie on na deck be.
Okay. Host, Eddie metemenasi ya. Eddie metemenasi. Agasi egbedo anota. No, at all. Es mo babakba. E okay a confirm. Ebe temo ba me na we surprise decade be. Ima ati wewe my brother go ma benyana. A social media president type ma we. Ye ga zero yo. Uma understand be na do ke platform na do anota. Eti ma ya ma tani ma no. Mekbenebe we be eti nota. But don't when I know my brother. Oh yeah, na me we oni areba. This man have came here. I expected a my brother power the by ije Melissa not email no go me. Ni agogo wa a man where Ade Frank do agwalo table na ya. They are supposed to be celebrating because you ni is there. A bank can beg a matter now. So my back and I don't even I don't beg me, my brother. If no can well when a mama if you want to start this man, give away man and way to do like social media now or mema taino. I just want to know Okariva. I beg Gwali Yove. That's all.
All right. What?
That's it, brother.
Yeah, anyone, one minute kekan wala o no mwezori agegwan la wo
half of the money
it can be on we suspect if na give money when osalo buana o you know ya win here oh no be good o menwa o gwalola dia I know this boy e ma do we the tie
we ita menwa agwalola dia o menwa agwalola dia o ge ya mo
wo to ni social media president
we no say na ta
social media
president whether ni mana mweso na gie enogie whether ni mana mugie don please whether ni mana mugie when no ge ya gbin na Monica na o surprise me when I'm your tenant ani so menwa you only make gbin na radio any place we reach I'm with you finish it is say wa baba yo wa agbi
all right problem ero wa calm down As long as you're going to come out,
Yeah.
I take it easy. As a social media president, here in Ukraine. Now, for today, after this live broadcast, here, in fact, he made the party liner. I don't know. I may have every line, only the team, every line. Every line, I have what your life do now, any worry life in now.
Tie direct.
Direct is if now, only get the reference. Direct there. Oh, yes, Idahosa. You did live video.
We no lie.
I'm going to speak. I did live video. Umenwa. It. Oh, yes, it's WhatsApp man on the data well. Okay. What? A matter. Social media president. A party Murphy. Emma Wagwa social media. You may really learn in a social live video. You understand? Matter in Wagwa can almost about 2 hours than my you understand? Sir? Okay. Okay, no problem, sir. Don't talk about it. All right, sir.
So, we need to now go to palace. Already now we go to the market. If you read the
all right, sir. Don't what?
We should go after the palace and settle the matter amicably.
Okay. Don't what talk better? Right. So, yeah. Okay. I believe say we're down here. We're home. Only that Bolufwa. Now, we're not here. Oma, no trust. No ati. Zofuri, matana, me go to no na yami to wa down here. Kenore kotonu. Wagume.
Kenora bidja.
Brother, Frank, in your money univator, one aside, man. Away every do my yahi, even I say palace in Yagwalo to Yagwalo, even no say palace to who disobey palace. A bena remanane. When I demofurie bena or guanena, Nieredu. No, that bed ye bena repali, my aturi, the Maria Guabana verboni, because of repalas near Redone or se palace. I had you cotonunari on a white one back. Give my palace, and we are to my yahi.
Okay.
Me have the ticket to Ore. Me have palace. Me have to already my area palace. I have a baba. Make you go up. A benagua, and one of the benagua. I feel for your company. I have the ticket. At the movie, they journey one away get an ticket me out there. Give my way life. I'm where ITV. My area palace. No, the benaro on it, and I am a panata where if no race or gilly said guane. A making a lee of a Nayadic with a bow. A benare manane, a debt in Arima. So when a party Mofi, we not yet bena. Not yet bena, not yet give a palace. Not exactly.
Oh, exactly. A palace. A power mutia. At the Mofi where he has some more ima, the gua. A video yare head. Yeah, we are some more ima, the gua. I'll say, be like, don't imagine some more ima, the gua. Where Obata, then or red dona, when all ye gua. No yata mi ya we ebena ya we ya do somo me o e ma no do go di me fi o do somo me o bere to ni ya idokun eniyan you see
how the ebena re manane so we video they to won mo TV na TV
ya gwa wadame ya fe dan yo menwa atiku ties ngwe maybe okpiani igeme ni yawo atiku dege me no ya dwan enia oro ni awu megele dege awu me ya mio a so e mu me na ku igwalu to te godi me o ma no vie godi ni osalopo ame o hia no ba so no ba ba
Gimaya gwa lele gwa.
ma so
Gimaya gwa
anybody
lele gwa.
ore gwa ni watani why worry why ya fe ya somo everybody ya somo wa now are some days ya somo wa we gwa ni why ya fe radio wa ma sis wa we ni meta na wa mario boyo ore gwa aye bio bo ade doge
Bad mafia wa marry oni. Yeah, wa vie avo bori. Ma have support. Ma ya ajo.
Exactly.
Gwagimaya wa ye gwa mata egwa me se
gimaya wata na power
igwegwi ore monica no gbina e dege odero tamudi ayi aden so bo bless you kede na pa boya no che me forgive you ma era mo ya
we te ni me we sa gabe na e passa gabe na e sa gabe for not even
you don't mean it. You are Mr. Goda.
Oh no, you take that Monica pay money. O salobo ya go money.
Monica, why you choose Monica yemona? I don't like what you
do. Oni meja me na tu menwa. Oni meja
ge. No, emi pani aleta bo. E wo ya no re mana na we ma waste time. Hold on. You want to
pan mo fi like dem mudane. Okay. What take is that go agwo. Before I came here, I feel like that go. Ya one that conclude the matter. A part mo feel out you know in here away because no matter how the platform even now.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, I will matter now Oregwane. You understand? So nakagwa berry. You understand me now? Lao. I see no one a God's power with you Melissa. They are suspects. They are not at least the aspect of where saga and yara it should stop for the now.
Nobody will accuse, nobody will saga them from today. We are viewing, nobody will saga anybody, but you only gualotoy menwa. Gualotoy. Okay, baba you.
Yeah, why me solution to it? If it's you. So ajebo wa talk be la kuma gon.
Ise. Me mo boro ne ni hiarita we ne a gospel workers won ba we oro wana no dey gbe somo yan the gwa. And which a social media president will conclude now where not in few days or not in some time in how with the same thing. So then let us hope so. I believe where is very good.
Yes.
As far as more baba confirm you can set you anything. Them na regwane. So then just say I mean nani akegwa is where then we start the iba where ni aga isaga the EJ Melissa with God's power very very fine. So as well EJ Mage EJ God's power a Mama Melissa with God's power the same thing he have a stop now to this to also saga the other side. Tin he have some social media present he is someone he and never go even know where then he we have you I believe where is the best. Yes, I say so. Where's say my brother for calling me to your platform today? Where's it? Momewe.
Mr. Godfather, if you don't know what
in your money, I wait why wa wesi a time we do spend the I believe we that already you know you so why wa wesi about me no igbina no one and in your money we me wo and the mo feel why be na go ene or ye no one we palace na we wa ture me ature or one someone or gwale letter ma or gwale number me believe why me number me Facebook or any ya or see out here when ye palace na o yin someone one ma be mi ana because me ka when have a me stamp in me ya man then at here okay ma ya ture ma ni the palace ne we have your boy na friend because I want him here we Thomas Gwale bet you know you were accused of man no point on man on man mo so fi ore ya sin le gbe wu ne gbe me na o se palace me ya report in the palace and the penary man so ne di mo fi we ya wo we no someone in me on no accuse na he o on no point nya we no ton we wo right on no point na he so all someone in me power eni me ogwalo mi Irine.
You are right.
Also, my palace, my turi, my palace.
And also, my not a Benny Gue Frank. Mr. Frank, or a Benny Gue. Walking out a gospel what yet Melissa where Oko a best more renewal. Ubege, the Ubege do time expect you another way open ballot now open ballot in ya. If I want no where social media present area Benny when they host Tivena Ubege, so the okay play.
Okay.
What?
Oh, I went for a palace.
Gospel was coming now.
I palace.
Wa se o ero mo bi jo mo sa po ade ba wa ya wa we se fe wa ya wa we se no unu kwa gi bu wa e ko me ya wa fo no gogo because ya we wa no we na mi so kwa mai kian seva you understand me emi ebe na emi na ya e disturb me since then and na we gogo bene abero mo bi jo mo ya fe the social media iwa me we video me when me go dinner phone if you we video especially here wa be mo me ma ya fe because e ma no ebe na ya temata je me here wa be temata we because e ma ga be the first time o e na kina dete be ya na sunu be the first time e ke me ya the ticket here in Nigeria e come me ya the ticket here wa you understand so then o ije na nia me wa be gogojo wa wese egani maya mu wa yare manasi egene abiji ma ya mu ba ye patebu o ne pa be ya yo pa ga me ya we fe be ya yo bo na wo kan ma yare mana wa ya wa wese ma ke be
laissez-moi jouer wa tameje
il vient va no do tita fia ke ya ma ke be no ke gware o wa wese
okay
all right waya wa wase wato of waya gbe baba na nia okora ma isi okona di unda wedo ya kutan wedo ya sebeta era me aga me ya wefe wato ugido le mefe me
wese baba
Mr. Mengwa la gwen get chipe mi okpa because yan ta ban when the mo fi we gbe ya somo eni diro be na ya gba ya somo na when ni wa yan wa easy at least between that 1 week na ya pronto ne ebena ado somo yen ever since yan ebena return o ma weni na tore awa gbe wa reform e back yen contact we yen je gbare ne o okay
on the document ya send the get WhatsApp on the ya send the get WhatsApp yen wa present on that ni they will call us
na we no do na we do na ni WhatsApp no ya present no need no we ya jigo ya tiezo
mudia o when ya send on agun egwa or send the big one wa me na atiezo ba wo so ba yen marie beni ni men me send gian yen to be forward the beni so yen forward the begun ya ke omania we no forward when ya tie where the movie enoba me na hina +49 1521 146 2127 that's my number I mean no my number
ma we ma me no bi yan
so
if I protest area kwa mama ro pare
mama why would bet you money where the movie you know by was send there your phone I will not go and answer the query where baba iremane or not cheme iremane but iremana who oh they are not send the big where ya tai where umenwa oh umenwa I work live video oh where yamagie go to be send the big yoma so what with tamia when you send the big ya be zeke yamare motobomi arugwe gwane ya tu wa ya fe ga de where emena aye gwa totoyi wa
gospel like the when we water na we are sisi here we are no anybody we gwa oma we have for nothing 1 week agwale otoma no ga say the benigwe that man me for nothing 1 week we are here gwa we are here beginya ni ya ni be send the beginya ni ma ya wa gwa o pa for the matana
mudia ne ye tools emi opa ni woni beta emi opa ni abeta bo no need mo be na ro ado amuja ke 1 week ma me opa ni ma tie I ma protest ari egwa mana di gwe we na di ona ni ma eve ma ya na di ona ri so emi na di mo fi awa wu na ro wa no wa ke wa kwe wa sun no ye pa no te do wa sun mo ogbon money one. So no need my way. I'm 1 week. No 1 week again. When you are the palace, you are the palace where you have someone
between 1 week
Modia, I want to give me option where the palace.
Oh, I don't want to bucket.
Modia, Moto Okwo Bowengi. Ma me de na bi we Okwo Bowengi. Moto Bowengi palace. Then waje gwani deti ma mi we egwa we wa mi bena wa de get the movie we live video wow me ade we just odemeta ni egwa tam wa we live video we eben wa de na e fake na hina ona ebeni no then wa la mudiane ija
wa we gbe reverse mata no na
baba yo
between 1 week. It's okay. It's okay. What gets the law? Funny we are dojo. What like baby? Okay.
But calm down. The matter now say guane. Guane say you understand? Guane say. So the one fit to be in nowhere. The matter now say guane. Ariye team where obobe gadi. The matter no regua. Or na mo hobe gadi. So he should know what to do. My hand can mind we know. When is it that they can go? You know, you can make more. So thank God now we're to be anywhere regua. So don't get okay. Let him continue with the funding of the gold. Should go straight to the palace. I don't need to. Oh yeah, next month. Oh yeah, next week. Or the mafia momo. Now here come we don't have what even could get.
Yeah.
So we will not command him or rather tell him what to do.
Yeah.
You know what to do. You understand? What we decide? Okay. You own nigunya go the matter. At the end of the day, since the matter the palace in there, so when the battle is from the palace, we all are here. Of the TV, we even in that resistance event. I will still bring it on social media to the whole world to see how far we have got about it. We have to. But we are going.